Platinum against US dollar this week risen in value, reaching 1033.42 and then making a bullish breakout, going above and reaching 1049.28, and then the price formed this strong bearish candle, bearish engulfing candle that has encompassed all these candles before and continued to drop in value, reaching 985.84. Weekly time frame currently shows me a bearish candle, a bearish engulfing candle formed here right at this supply zone resistance level, and then we have a monthly time frame which has formed this bullish candle with the larger wick on the upper side and a smaller wick on the lower side. And what we can make a conclusion for this month, what could we expect this month? Now, because of this strong sell-off here this month, I am expecting there is a high probability that the price will continue to rise in value, reaching again 1033.42, and then we'll see what happens. This is the information on the monthly time frame, because we have this bullish engulfing candle, this bullish candle trying to move higher, and then I am expecting that the price will try again to reach this area. This is for this month. Now, for the weekly time frame, we can see the next target is area here, 966.39, because of this strong selling pressure. So this is the target I'm expecting next week, that the price will reach at least here, 975.50, and then the next will be 966. Now, the daily time frame shows me that first of all we need to have a bearish breakout going below 985 in order to continue to fall in value and reaching 966. So first step is to wait the price to make a this bearish breakout and then target the next. If we see the price going above 1017.77, this will be a bullish momentum continuation of this bullish strong trend, but I am more inclined to see the price going even further down, reaching the support level, and then we'll see what happens. Further decline with the bearish breakout below, or it will bounce and return back up. So this is all for the target for the next week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.